old school. I am from the Caribbean, so we wash our meat. I've washed my chicken wings with the juice of a lemon and cool water, and all I'm doing is using paper towels to dry them off. If washing your meat is not your thing, if you're scared to do so, by all means rock what you're accustomed to doing. And I have here 2 pounds of wings, which the tips have been removed, and we've got drumettes and we've got flats. I'm just trying my best to get most of that moisture, that liquid out of it, like so. Yeah, and this part here, it's totally up to you how you season it. I'm going very basic. The whole idea here is showing you how to do chicken wings in your air fryer. So all I want is just some sea salt, like so. Not too much. The reason why I won't go heavy on the sea salt is because I'm using this seasoning rub, bone sucking sauce, and it has a ton of sodium already in that, so we ain't trying to over salt everything, but it gives you a nice flavor. And the ingredients, I mean to say, I am not affiliated with the brand, but I've used it a couple times now and I quite like it. You can make your own if you want, and it's basically brown sugar, salt, some spices, which is like chili pepper and stuff like that, some sugar, paprika, dehydrated onion, garlic, bell pepper, mustard seed, celery seed. And and there's no MSG in this, but we are really afraid of MSG. MSG has a bad rep, man, and that's about it. Things naturally have MSG in it if you really did your research. And all we want to do now is hit that with that seasoning, like so. And I'm gonna go in with my hands, and I'm gonna do the other side as well. I'm just gonna work it all the way in. I did lightly salt it on the other side, if you're wondering, so both sides have been lightly salted, but be mindful that these sort of rubs that you find pre-made, and there's nothing wrong in using these, just watch the sodium content on it. That's all I would say. Find one that you like and you can rock it from time to time. We're going to go into the air fryer now, and my oven has an air fry feature, so that is what I'm using. But in your air fryer, you want to put it single layer, 380 degrees, 380 to start. As I said, a single layer, and there's space between each wing, and that's going to allow that air fry. We buy the air fryer for a reason. We want to give it the tools necessary to give us the chicken wings that we want, and the tools in this case being the rack here with the space between. What I did was I went in with some cooking spray first, and I sprayed down the wire basket there, and I'm just going to hit a light little spray on top as well too. That's totally optional. If you want to do it, you can do it. If you don't have to, into the oven now, which does have the air fry feature. So we're going to cozy up in the warmth of the oven now. The wings were in the oven for 20 minutes. What I'm going to do now is I'm flipping them over to the other side just to shake things up a little bit. We want even coloring and cooking and stuff like that. And I'm going to crank up the heat from 380 to 400 degrees in the oven now in the air fryer. Sup, soldiers? Listen, if you enjoy this recipe, I'd really appreciate it if you hit subscribe and click that bell notification thing. If you've made the recipe, take a picture and send it to me. Email address down here. I ain't trying to tell people the email address. Them butts will take the address and do all kind of thing with it. And tag me on Instagram at Caribbean Pod. I really appreciate you guys, and thanks for being in my kitchen with me today. Irie. Just got these out of the oven. Just look at the beautiful color all the way around. Uncle Chris just dropped some knowledge on you guys here. The simplest air fryer chicken wings you'll ever make. Probably wondering where's that garlic sauce that Uncle Chris had at the start of the video. If you'd like to see that recipe, drop a comment down below. Chris here, CaribbeanPod.com. Air fryer chicken wings. I've got some more chicken wings recipe coming up. It's almost Super Bowl, so I'm gonna drop some. I get tongue tied there. I gotta drop some more wings for you guys. Irie. What's up, soldiers? Don't forget to click subscribe. If you've already clicked subscribe, hit that bell notification thing. I want to all you missing out on the new videos, man. Come on, click.